Ever wondered if you could magically transform your Walmart gift card into Amazon shopping credit? Unfortunately, the straightforward answer is no. You can't directly use a Walmart gift card on Amazon, as Amazon doesn't accept Walmart gift cards as a payment method. However, don't lose hope just yet. One workaround is to use your Walmart gift card to purchase a prepaid debit card like a Visa or MasterCard gift card, which are available at most Walmart stores. Once you have your prepaid debit card, you can then use it to make purchases on Amazon just like any other debit or credit card. Be mindful of any activation fees associated with the prepaid debit card, which could reduce the overall value you have to spend. Another option is to explore gift card exchange websites like CardCash or Raise, where you can sell your Walmart gift card for cash or trade it for an Amazon gift card, though you likely won't get the full face value of your card. So while you can't directly use a Walmart gift card on Amazon, these workarounds can help you leverage your gift card balance and unlock that Amazon shopping spree. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gift card hacks.